Hello? I've been considering the practical purposes for a giant fighting robot, and I've been thinking about what other folks have been doing wrong. Well, none of them have been really thinking about what to do with the giant robots, just building them. No one's been thinking about victory conditions, about confrontations between two mechs and so forth, and I can see why you get confused and caught up with the fact you got a giant robot. You don't really think about what to do with it. There are the Furion racing mechs, but they aren't going to have any competitions anytime soon because they're the only ones actually building their style of mech. Unlike me, who is planning to release a book on how to build your own style of junk mech so you can all fight amongst each other or fight me. And I've been giving it a lot of thought, so I figure the easiest thing to do would be Rock'em Sock'em robot style, where you gotta punch off your opponent's head in order to win. Makes things a lot simpler, really. Instead of having to try to disable your opponent, you just try to knock off their head. So I've been working on this PVC doohickey to replace the wooden monstrosity of Marduk's neck. And it'll also be less likely to be susceptible to water. And the control cables to control the neck will be mounted right here. And you know that the neck can turn back and forth and pop off. Now I'm going to have to do some experiments to see exactly how long of a tab I need in order for the head to keep on during normal operations, and yet at the same time be able to pop off when a big enough hit is applied to the head. Now what I'd like to do is get a video of me installing the neck onto Marduk, but unfortunately with how high up she is and how much effort it would be, I'm going to be just doing all the work up there, and being up on a ladder doesn't really lend well to recording. So I'll be back once I've installed the new neck on Marduk, and we can see where it goes from there. See you in a sec. There we go. You can see, looks a lot cleaner in there. And also there's a bit more ability to adjust things, so if I want her head angling down a little more, I can just grab the PVC and pull. And let's get down and see how the head works. There we go, works rather well. That's because there's less stuff going on under there, so the head rotates around easier. But now, for the important part. We're using a technical, very complex tool, boxing glove on a stick. See? Head pops right off. So, you can see we've got some easily visible victory conditions for any mech battle that may be involved. So, that will be all for today. Be sure to like and subscribe, and tune in next time when I do a full systems drive with the head on, just to make sure it doesn't fall off when it's bumping around the lawn. So, until next time, bye-bye.